Open Capcut and then, at your clips, choose your ratio. Add music. Add beats in your music.
Wishing he could be there with her soon. She wants to feel, but the fear of rejection is all too real. Heartbroken and so lonely, wishing she had the courage to
Make your
say,
clips ready.
I love you, please be mine only. But the words just won't come out that way.
Make you ready. Clip as an overlay.
Day after day, she watches him go.
Set them on beats.
Wondering if he'll ever feel the same. She's lost in heart in a storm, praying for the strength to end this pain. Heartbroken and so lonely, wishing she had the courage to say, I love you, please be mine only. But the words just won't come out that way. But the words just won't come out that way. If only she could find the strength to open up her heart and be true. Maybe then she'd find the love she craves. But for now her dreams are out of view. She sits and waits.
Go to layers to put your last clip on top.
Hoping one day he'll
After that, make your clip.
understand. Until
Freeze
then,
and make it
she'll
as overlay.
remain in this endless fight, longing for the day when love sees the light.
Put it under your first clip ending.
Heartbroken and so lonely, wishing she had the courage to say, I love you, please be mine.
Then go to layers and put this on top of all.
Come out that way.
Do whatever I'm doing.
Out that way. Sitting on the porch, watching the sunset glow, thinking about the way this world can be so. They say you
Do this
gotta
with
look
all
a
the
certain
clips.
way to be beautiful, they say. But that's just a lie, don't you fret, 'cause you are beautiful as you are. You are beautiful as you are. Embrace who you are, near and far. Ain't no need to change, you're a star. 'Cause you are beautiful as you are.